सांगितलं रेकॉर्ड चालू केला आता रेकॉर्डिंग. ठीक आहे ठीक आहे रेकॉर्डिंग चालू केलंय. तसं स्टेलमेटला अजून एक एक इन्फॉर्मेशन तुम्हाला द्यायची होती. आपण आर्टला म्हणत होतो की इंडियन चेस चेस जो आहे आपला तो इंडियातनं बाहेर पडला आणि युरोपला गेला. So there is a one correction which I wanted to tell you. Indian chess is little different. What Dute in Mahabharata was played, that has nothing to do with the chess. Just recently I read about it. Our India was playing what we used to play now. Similarly, only two rules were different. Only two rules. In Indian chess, en passant, what we have learned, that en passant, en passant, that rule was not there in Indian chess. And castling was not there. The king going in the castle, that rule was not there. All other rules were similar, but in Indian chess, that rule was not there. That I found that difference. Okay. So there was a Indian.
Sir.
Yes. ऐकायला येते.
Sir, my mic was broken, so I was doing something. So my doubt was that, sir, I have came at 8:04, so that's why you have teach anything.
No, I haven't taught anything different. I was just explaining what is draw, and draw by 3 or 4 or 5 different methods. That's all, nothing else. Okay. So everybody understood? So now what we are going to learn, one more thing. I think we had completed 77 checkmates. So have we started pin? Pin. Do you know what is pin? Whether we have started pin? If not, we will start with the pin.
So we have not started pin.
Not started, nobody. Yeah. So today, please write in your notebook Vishwas Kinnari, starting pin today. Today's date and what is pin? Let us understand what is pin. Where is Vinit? Yeah. Vinit, do you know what is pin?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please tell everybody.
When a piece gives check and a piece is blocking it, and if the king moves, the piece will kill it. That is pen.
Okay. I understood what you have said and what you actually wanted to say, but rest of them might not have understood. Let me explain that. Pin. अभी मेरे ख्याल से Kinnari has put a pin in her hair, or Aradhya must be using the pin, or Urvi is also using the pin. Soumya is also using the pin. So what that pin is doing? What is that? That is a hair pin. And what that pin is doing? Pin is holding your hairs together, not allowing those hairs to scatter, to go anywhere, at one place. So let's try to understand this. Holding something at one place, that is the work done by pin. Okay. There is a pin we use to hold together papers also. Paper pin. Because on board also there are pins which you stick up the paper on that board, soft board. That is also a pin. Your U pin is also a pin. So basically work of the pin is to hold something at one place. And how that is useful and how that is applicable in chess, I will show you. Now, see here. Queen is actually attacking king. But in that attack, somebody is blocking. That is what? Rook. Rook is blocking the attack as explained by Vinit. Here, this rook cannot move. Your black is not supposed to move this rook, because if he moves, what will happen? This will kill the king. So king will be in trouble, deep trouble. So this cannot be moved. Then we say it is a pin. Everybody understood this short thing? Now I will explain further.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will explain further. When two pieces of your opponent, they come in one line and you are attacking in the same line, then the pin happens. When pin happens, there should be two pieces of your opponent, enemy, should be in one line. For example, I will give you. Okay, here king is not involved, but two pieces are in line. And with the same line, now bishop is pinning this. Bishop has pinned this horse or knight. So attack should be in the same line. Now, if this is not there, now is this a pin? It is a pin. Two pieces in line and attack is in the same line. So this is a pin. Is this a pin? Yes, it is a pin because these two pieces in one line, straight line, and attack is also in the straight line. When the pieces are, is this a pin? Yes, two pieces are in line and attack is also in the same line. First, try to understand this. Your attacking line should have enemies two pieces. Okay, so you write in your notebook. A pin is there when you attack two pieces in same line or in line of attack. In line of attack, you have two pieces of opponent in the same line. Then pin happens. Then it is called as a pin.
So I have a doubt.
Just wait, Parth. You just wait everything and then you ask me. Because I know what doubt you have got and I will cover everything as far as possible. If anything is left, you please ask. Everybody has written this? Now. Now, as I said, what does the pin do? It holds together. But sometimes it may happen that whatever clip or pin Kinnari is using, that is not good. लगती है not good. वो निकाल के फेंक देगी, दूसरी पिन यूज करेगी. और कभी कभी इतनी अच्छी पिन है, इतने मस्त बाल सेट होते हैं कि वैसा लगता है यार अभी 1 महीना भर स्नान नहीं करेगा तो भी अच्छा है. ऐसा आराध्या को लगता है, एक बार तो लगाइए, है ना आराध्या? यस. सो देयर आर गुड पिन्स एंड बैड पिन्स. सो व्हेन यू वांट टू पिन समबडी, you will do a good pin or bad pin. Good pin or bad pin. You have to. मेरा कैमरा, हाँ. Good pin or bad pin. Good always. And opponent ने अगर pin किया तो it should be bad pin, right? You understood this. So let us see what is good and what is bad. So there are certain conditions of the pin when you can say it is good and you can say it is a bad. Okay, let us learn those conditions. Now, in this example, the first condition of the pin is when you are pinning, your pinning material, whoever is pinning, that means queen or bishop or rook, these three only can pin. Knight cannot pin at all because knight jumps. All these three should be in safe square. So safety of pinning material, pinning piece should be most important. So here, is this pin a good pin? No, because this will kill. That place is not at all safe. Even that place, this is also not good because this will kill. तो जिसको पिन करना है वो ही तुम्हारे ऊपर अगर अटैक करेगा तो कैसे चलेगा? So when you want to do this टेढ़ा pin, knight, bishop should not be there. And when you want to do a सीधा pin, this should not be there. Pin, otherwise वही मारेगा. If this, it is like this. This is a pin by our definition, but this will kill. So this is a bad pin. You understood what is bad pin? So safety, first condition is safety of your pinning material is most important. Second condition, when there is a bigger piece behind and smaller piece ahead. See here, smaller ahead and bigger behind. It is a good pin. Bigger ahead and smaller behind, it is so-so. We cannot say bad, but it is a so-so. Depends on the situation. But most of the time it is, it doesn't carry that much weightage, basically. So this is a good pin. This is a good pin. This is a pin. But this is not good pin. Bigger piece is ahead and smaller piece is behind. You understood this? What is bad and what is good? Next condition. The piece which you are pinning should not be able to support each other. Should not support each other. For example, if this is there. Now, as per definition, this is bad pin, वैसे. ये पीछे है. But this can simply move and give support to this. No use of that pin. So we call it as a unpinning. Pinning and unpinning. When somebody pins you, you have to unpin yourself. Otherwise, you will fall in trouble. So both the pieces involved should not be able to support each other in the next move. Then it is a good pin. And lastly, that pin is the best pin where king is involved. Whenever there is a king involved, it's okay. This is the best pin. Best ever. Because king is involved. So this particular time, this is not movable at all. In other pins, see, here pin is there, but this is movable, it can move. So that is why I say it is so-so pin, not good. But here, it is, this pawn will not at all move because king is involved. So best pin is always and always where the king is involved. And after king, when queen is involved. So in a short, what I will say that a smaller piece pinning a bigger piece is always better.